Hello friends, Om Namah Shivaya. Friends, first of all, I would like to thank you for my previous video, remedies from kitchen, which you watched, appreciated, and sent your comments, and forwarded and shared with the other people also. Today, on the request of a few patients, I am here with the topic of tinnitus. Tinnitus is a problem of annoying situation of hearing sounds of ringing and like hussing or roaring or in the one ear or in the both ear, whereas there is no external sound. And the causes of this ringing in the ear is due to the destroy or damage of the hair cilas which are present in the ears, or there might be a wax in the auditory canal, or there may be some tumor in the auditory canal of the ear, or there may be jaw joint misalignment, or there can be intake of antibiotics like quinine, aspirin, and other antibiotics. According to modern science, if there is a tumor or sinusitis, that can be removed and the cause can be removed. But if there are no such things, then the person has to live with this situation or ringing bells for the life long. But according to Ayurveda, it is called karnat, means ringing bells in the ear, is a problem of pranvayu. First of all, I would like to tell you that what is vayu. Our body is made up of 5 elements. Those are water, air, fire, earth, and akash. And there are 3 energies of the bodies. Those are vata, pitta, and kapha. And this pran vayu resides in the upper head portion and controls the activities of cerebral, respiration, and to some extent digestion. As the vayu, this vayu has the quality of being rough, dry, and cool. So, according to Ayurveda, when the pran vayu increases due to some reasons, there may be wax in the ears, or the person may be doing the excessive exercises, or excessively indulged in sex, or he is taking excessive foods of hard to digest, or he might be taking bitter taste things in a large quantity. All these elevate the air. So, if we want to control this air or want to fight with this problem, first of all, we have to stop the antibiotics and all the medicines which we are taking. And secondly, we have to avoid these things like taking cereals which are creating vayu, or which are hard to digest, or you have to reduce your exercises. But in this case, the panch karma has a great role to play. First of all, we have to do kanpurna. Kanpurna means putting the oil in the ear. Ear can be, this sesame oil can be put in the ear, or there is a Kand Bindu oil that can be used. And secondly, we have to do the nasya, means to put oil in each nostril. The oil can be Shad Bindu, or this can be Anu Tel, or if you don't get all these things, you can prepare your own oil, sesame oil. Put some turmeric and boil it, and it will be oil, purified oil, and it can be put in the nostrils. And then there we have to do the gargles of the with the oils, Sandwadi oil. But if you don't find the Sandwadi oil, then you can prepare this oil by boiling the sesame oil with the turmeric, black pepper, then bay leaves, and to some extent cinnamon. You can prepare, and ginger juice, or and garlic. You put 200 grams oil with 1 spoon each of these things, and add some 100 ml water, and put on fire the for half an hour or so. When the all the things are burned, and only oil is can be drained, that oil should be used for this gargles. Put 2 spoon oil in the mouth, keep it for 2 to 5 minutes, and then throw it out. After that, you can do the gargle with the warm water by putting only salt in it. And besides this, the head massage is very beneficial. You have to do the head massage. That can be done with the mustard oil, or this almond oil. But in the days of this summer, the almond oil will be hot. You take 3/4 of mustard oil and put 1/4 of almond oil in it, and whenever you apply on the head, it has to be warmed. And similar with this oil, you have to massage at the back of the both the ears also. And at bedtime, you have to massage your foot with this oil, and so that the cool quality of air can be reduced in the body. Besides these, we can do the kumbhak, means antrik kumbhak, and bahari kumbhak, means external and internal kumbhak. That is to be done by breathing. When you breathe inside, inhale, and stop for 15 to 20 seconds, and then relieve it. This is the way of making the kumbhak. And besides these, you can also do some pressure points on your hands. These two fingers have the points of ears. You have to press this last flanges of this finger and this finger. It should be pressed 20 to 30 times, twice a day. And in between these two fingers also, you have to press 20 to 30 times. It will give a lot of relief in this problem of ringing bells in the ears. And you have to stop all the medicines which you were taking. You take food, fresh food and warm food. And the food should be prepared with the oils or ghee, and you have to put extra butter or ghee while taking the food. And the chapati should not be dry. You have to apply butter or desi ghee on the chapatis. And in food, you have to avoid curd, rice, which are gas making, and this white peas, peanuts, etc. have to be avoided. And after you should add some spices in your food, like bay leaves, black cardamom, then cumin seeds, cinnamon, and mace, nutmeg, and black pepper, longer pepper, and ginger, dry ginger. These have to be added in your spices, and make food with putting this ginger and garlic every time. And if you are having allergy to this, you can avoid this garlic. And besides this, you have to avoid taking lot of coffee, caffeine, and cocoa, etc., and add the herbal tea instead of these things. There are prepared medicines also available in the market, that is ashwagandha rasayan, ashwagandha rishtam, then shrink bhasam, abrak bhasam, then sarivadi vatti, sarvasta rist, and sarvasta ghritam, and this brahmi ghrit, balarist. These all will help in you in this problem, because all these have a quality of bringing the circulation to normal, and reducing the voice in the body. This is all I told you. If you obey these, you will can reduce your problem, or you in coming time you can be free from this disease. Thank you very much.